Hi, my name is Ashley Scott, and I am with the organization New Day. We are a nonprofit whose purpose is to raise awareness about teenage depression. Did you know that 20% of all teenagers experience depression before they reach adulthood? 64.1% of those teenagers with major depression go completely untreated. Depression is one of those topics that everybody knows about, but most don't have a full understanding of what it really is. So today we are going to discuss some of the signs and symptoms that you might see in a teenager who is battling depression. One of the reasons that I am so passionate about educating the public about teenage depression is because it is something that is near and dear to my heart. I've had multiple friends who had depression all throughout high school, and recently my little sister has been battling it as well. Over the course of her senior year, our family watched her in pain, in desperate need of help, but we had no idea what she needed, and she had no idea how to ask. It was a long time before we realized what she was dealing with. My sister has always been shut off, but we always just thought that was her personality. She was introverted and wasn't one to talk very much. We didn't really know that something was wrong until she started missing school. She lost interest in some of the things that she loved and refused to participate in some of the normal daily activities. Eventually, our mom confronted her about everything, and that was when she said that she had depression and anxiety. Before this, we had no idea. Just like our experience, so many other teenagers go through the same type of thing. Parents and families of teenagers often aren't aware of the warning signs that their teenager is experiencing depression. Sometimes we don't recognize it soon enough. These consequences can be deadly. So what are some of the symptoms that parents might see in their children? For starters, they might be sad, anxious, or depressed. You might see that they have a lack of interest in their normal daily life or activities that they once enjoyed. You can see a change in their weight or their eating patterns. They might gain some weight or they might even lose some weight. There may be a change in their sleeping patterns, either an increase in the amount of time they sleep or possibly experiencing insomnia. They may experience a loss of energy. Another sign could be feelings of guilt, worthlessness, or hopelessness. Along with that can be suicidal thoughts or thoughts of death. With these symptoms, in order to be diagnosable as depression, they must have at least 5 of them for at least 2 weeks. Other symptoms you may see in your teenager is a drop in their grades at school. They may experience problems with authority figures. They might act out to hide their feelings, and some will often pretend to be sick in order to skip school. Watch for these signs in your teenager. Being a teenager is hard enough. Battling with depression makes it that much harder. Don't let your teenagers fight with depression on their own. Be there however you can. Thanks for listening. For more information on teenage depression, visit our website or call our number at 307-257-4496. Thanks for listening.